Welcome back everyone to RTI Info channel. The new 5th generation Hyundai Tucson is ready to come later this year or in 2027 for the US market. It will replace the current model, which was facelifted in 2023. The next generation has been already spied, and we have spent some time to illustrate its exterior and interior design and compare with the outgoing Hyundai Tucson. Let us know if you like the new cubic design. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.